Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever needed to swap out icons quickly in your Figma design, maybe to update your app's look or just to play around with alternatives, this is exactly the tutorial for you. By the end of this video, you'll know how to set up your own icons set in Figma so you can change icons instantly without breaking a sweat. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you already have the icons you want to use. These should all be on your canvas. You can create them yourself, or you may have imported them from another file or downloaded them from a resource. Try to organize them nice and neat. A grid works well because it'll make things easier in the next steps. Once you've got your icons ready, go ahead and select all of them at once. You can do this by holding down Shift and clicking each icon, or by dragging a selection box around the whole set. The goal here is to batch these icons so they're all selected together. This is important because we're about to tell Figma these are related components. Now look up at the top right corner of Figma and you'll see an option that says Create Multiple Components. Sometimes, when you're working with several elements, you could make them into a single group or a single component. But what's great about this button is that it takes all your selected icons and instantly turns each one into its own component, which is perfect for our purpose. Go ahead and click that. It might take a moment, especially if you have a lot of icons, but don't worry, Figma is just doing some behind-the-scenes magic. Alright, now comes a slightly trickier but really powerful step. We're going to set up our components for instant swap. So click on any one of the new icon components you just created. With it selected, over on the right-hand side panel, you should see an option for properties. Click into that and look for the option called Instant Swap. This property is what allows you to swap one icon for another later on with just a couple of clicks. Let's keep going. Click the little plus sign plus next to Instant Swap. This opens up a menu where you can add all the icons you want available for swapping. You don't have to do this one by one. Just select all your icon components here. This is basically telling Figma, these are my swappable options. After you've added every icon you need, you can close out of that menu. Now let's actually use what we've set up. Click and drag an icon from your component set onto your canvas to make a working copy. This is the instance you'll be using in your design. Next, look beside the name of the icon and you'll see a drop-down arrow. This is where the magic happens. Click that drop-down and you'll see all the icons you prepared earlier. Just select the icon you want to swap in and Figma instantly updates your icon wherever you've placed it, and that's it. You've turned a batch of static icons into a dynamic component set. This is going to make your workflow much smoother. Instead of searching, copying, and repositioning icons every time, you can just swap them with a click. It's a huge time saver, especially if you're working with design systems or apps where icon consistency is key. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and hit that like button. If you have any questions or if you ran into any snags, drop a comment below. I'm always here to help. And if you want more tips and tricks just like this, don't forget to subscribe for more Figma tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy designing.